hweda mu dia mejo atranse wa ha entino owura Jones enyamese me ka oni pe no maka me kura bi ni o ya ba ni e ba kro Fred Jones na so hrete I say I from basket no enye Jones yiri onye na me ka me kura no o say
o pa yese me say
o ba so de waso de normal size
o say masoso nti no indirectly na me say o kan se bi na ache
o mo say wasoso na hwa we mo hu ni say
ayi
visa oh ni pe mo boba de normal size o de normal size we de normal size say apodu mo ye de
mi anyame adomo
and the radiasi editor e boko de
anyame adomo
inso ni gu say na atmosphere na conducive for almost everything and you know oh dampen bia sorry and a free council in Ebenezer Miracle Worship Center obia anya nta no bia amra na running for team so mo abra mu so ni safa gallon bra free ma honya shi na bra bepim editu na nsam no doso ketresi ya kan mo ho na conspicuously mo na mo kire brofo conspicuously and this if na fa kire ko America me ana mo problem with such anamotuo no na no bra na Dr. Bawumia na the tea opposition omukọ the same thing omukọ ba hima krum na ma ne nye na economy ne nye na enya won second Japan atubia mo so mo fix na omunya akasa no akam bia chom so mo fix na omunya akasa bebebe no ohu NDC for fekire ko America akoye case e dia ma ekobu America se bond bia omususu se 2.25 million US topable dollars abrobuni assabe di mu abebrebe ya de say kind of Foriata almost suspect conflict of interest but early on now me say obreja fi credit card file case with Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice so be the assembly question na most is charge e be diligent worker dey ngina wo sa fakiri na muko penti picture bi kira abrofo ne say me problem with abrofo no abrofo iti abrochi mu ye dada abrofo ni muye na no muntari bobo mu di akwa na no free park so by force na so obey kotoko ha mo mpe house ha mo mpe mo pe dollars ye di akwa na ni sa na odi abufu free park so kopi ba bi abobolo a Italy omso kwa de seke no mo ye po editu ene mini ba bi ade be fa
yo ofori me da sipi nyame nshrawo na ebe nyame yasen so ode aba na mili akuma nyame sen so makwawa ofori yan fa fiti ayi aye kitres na ansam aya na me kan say ye mpanefo be ahodo ye bu ni nyina na say wo de to abedwe mu a nyakopon na de sa ebe ni nyina ebiomu pe adia se eni ka yidwa be ba ifa no kwa ena ho nsama ye ka no ana adia obedi ka ehunu no se ya de papa ma woni je ho a ebeto aso saa empo na wie no koye bibia sabi emfa kwa mo kwa na manfo bi so ebia enfumso bi na baaye the thing say abra president Akufo-Addo bontoa e wo mama fa na nyina asawa ba ko ana edana no ene say Ghana yetisika so you want the frontier was say here yen na sika no wo ho asawa pa kan we just want to one follow the campaign no what you say na sika no wo ho does it require that somebody should have to move from wherever he or she is to picket the way where the answer I for picketing
obi so away be at most 1 month when your results no
yes well see I don't know where adwuma we the pakro adwuma na so ko ha Ghana ha adwuma ya nye wages or ko wan ko be tranika e dey ntin so many pakro no that man hours maybe na me tie some me tie some network we now calculate man hours ya you send what traffic mu as a result of poor planning over the years from there Accra Okowa is a cars and to be a cars basically 2 million scarcity no kwa the cars 2 million and then na Accra na kwa no de tia na tia yes e uka na wa just usi na form so dia say
on ankran de gise Kumasi ano gise odi bibia times be almost 2 ansa na wonya de wonkran yo
yenkran yes abepepe na tie it is yet to memo na sesa ne man na date na also di pakọ no se na daade e betra wa bra wo by initially it is was one make a record so within a month or two you have been able to put in place all the key ministers ne deputy minister na they say aka ye MMDC is na that makanti say if all this wow sani men na ho na no tiko jaba obey minister I think that ebru 2 months because obey minister long before say ye breaki akoma ikra say akoma ikra nya ikra oh eji eba ye no agencies makoma ko duba ko ye wo se hye wase na dadem na nka fast kwa ye adna anye ye kura no nka enyema hodo a wo saw to akwa mu na ebetimi ede eje papa ye abaye nyina asetere mu na odi aye we die enam se moba no bowo mirasepo bi se wo ma edi mani mu no se be mpraduasa wo ma se wo man that's how that that is for bo man to enti o kon ho enke we kwan ka efe o man transition se dis course so cool na enke efe se ka ndc for na yi be yi na but akwai confrontational da bia hey enti woni pa ko na akoto no sa de ne da se kura no a wo ye ne hey na asomdwe ba kura no benya a kire sa de america no se na mja no enti to aso na yade na ma anya ne sa na do so ra de hey we pray one nya sa na to aso sa bo so be se na ni mu nya da de ni enti adon de no so de oja ho no se wonya wo hu ne se wo ye wonua ye nyina gana na yebu e na wo beto ne dwumadi so anka beto na tana se oh aha mo de ko si ye no e ko sai e de tana ma nya bet e ba nyina no edim bonding nko na mo de bo mu on se na mo abia beto se ankrofo e kan mo se ofo ne kan ya se start in May as a June last year and that one more
June 2016
June 2016 and it say sa 6 months now NDC for and then a month ya most of mobile at least 4 months away no muntia cause mo se sika no ho munya nko mo se sika no ho ada na muntia na mo honto mo this nipa na ye because am NDC for ni power bi mu o ka ka tell say e no nti atutia wo mu ento aba enema hodo sika no ho asaba na wo kan se me sika na kodi ni ya fe de sika ni ho bi mu na ni ho bi mu a NDC for His Excellency John Dramani Mahama o kono wasa ni nyina akọ no chema NDC for ana o de asenti we are sanu as say na move bia ya na oba school be toto ai cross ni nyama ne me makoma ko bi o se na be mu abu o je say no GMPP dinia da dinia o se na be mu abu because science na wo no enkyere hope bi ama no because ona po ya bode sa ya for pesa 1 week but my bond na say we me fa ka kura ntwam no he say nipa ni nyina aboto ya pa ba right from the well from the well go no o mani pa ko no hu say ampa enema eba no anida so wo a that's a do we can say e ma na ho ayayi o ka ka say o enche na communicators na ka say o wa ko so na nya 100 days office and mo say o mo so do mpo mo nyae a mo tie tuane adare it is nobody has any moral right to tell anybody say it is too early no it is not too early ko won nyam mai mo kura no munim nyam ahodo am say ekoso o memma say everything bibia ye yin adare o dey say enti e mani pa no ko yesa no a da bia nipa ne fa otiri mo ka saadi at the 11th hour 59 minutes na pesa wo ya de ma so nipa ko ni no no mani pa ko no bra wa bra wie e bi ne de yewura mama bra so na inkani ansam ni ada ntimi nyina so di wo ma ilusu ya job no abra kani ya timi gina so na de na ade bi record back so mra ma yadwuma na ya fro bia so za bra ma yadwuma de wo lusu na yiti ade no right from the outset no ye de wo sa wo ye o de say wo ye na hu ye ya da bia me ka say anye ye kura o de na aba ye no e kan ya da dia wo na da de no wo de ne yifri ho so ba ye say no be de obi atena bia bo so be say motwe ye ntwa de dia na wo de abato ye no ade o sika no ho no ye free ho it is what ba kokura twa no wa kan kire ne say e bia de ko ye no enema bi anko ye enti na wo pese wo ye nhwemu ansa na watwa ne de no ba we de bibia mai de bia esi ade abai ba de ade kese a wonya mfesi bi say amanfo say akọ strike ye gay na but picketing na that is also a form of strike because that time they got tankra ho no na de wo ye adwuma oh enti ye besre they should be proactive na niam a hu hia kasatenten ne de kaka na that na they should just put them aside and then continue to work say they o ka say ye work in the Japan eka no isi aba me hu say o mba me hu say da bom de block ba o kra to baby ye be ye BBC dia na de o just say enema bebrebe mo de manu aka na that still ye nya hunu ho esunsaye enti monya ne samban na ye nyina enko anim ofori de toso bi no ye fansa ye nua NDC for ne adade no this is sad ya mo ye when they were in government no they are accused MPP of the same thing. Some kwa bontin na mo paint your man black. As the Ghana dey say bukura dey say bibianya yi. Say ya ken Shiraji ni that all of them. And some be beka bi say we should have confidence in state institutions. Yeah, then some kwada wo mu Yewura Mahama Ford and say that day. Shiraji fu ya na dey kwada wo mu. Eno mu yehwemu ayi hunu say omampanyi no wa nya boni bia. So we tumo wanya tumo no, that was the state institution no asma what the buy no. If you one executive member at the regional level at the asara kotu ayi and now I heard say Shiraji Kura ama friend say wo ma Yewura kan for reata na wo make ka no number of days bia wo fan responsible ama no kura na ask why just I don't some going to see other Sundays and Monday ask fire wo fan no ye bia ma it ya na yen translate na yen hwe say ahade de sia na don dey no say mo pia so ko America say mo na nya hwe mo na dade no say Shiraji ni adwuma wa ha na ankosa de mo pɛ no an because Shiraji no they are in bed with the government and I say what they are saying you know free come any akono and now free and from out the who super there enya ufiti preko so pause ya emoja neighbor eti ya na samle kikiri ye wura kuja to abra kwa ne mpanimfo ya piano yodom ko faade ne ko na ko kire se nema wodem say Shiraji for you maduma wie na so nya even your court system no kora na ye no mema say o stages what you 15 preko pesa me dia samko eye Supreme Court and answer me the professor me the call bia I was stages I was saying bia we be edeko etuma mo hu say what time no kuma ya chi say won't say na money say whether the way no conflict of interest because I have been say bond back why to any back for 95% of the board aden e wi aso no kon dey say be we no nyansa na say ono kon dey yi e true to say by all means no obi we interest mo baby but na ko say dey any dey say fata e ma Yewura with that ya ono na ye strike boss na ko ye hwemu no wie na ke dey anye one satisfy then you move on to the next say even ke bia ke hwemu no kura no they will invite those people no sa company on bond the referee din na de kuma from mama enema umbia no omatime they can just be brought here because when the American no just how you are in Ireland and simply because we can be subpoenaed to come and then explain as is here kiki ya dia asana ko do yi eti ye I don't dey no the person say you be cancel me na wie no no bia ko abeto no yam say netie na ankoiba sa de say wo e na we dey kataso mu aso fa ko si ya ya na institution hodo a ye di mpanimfo to anu abosome bia de pio muka no na omu jiska hudi because they say Shiraji ni mbedum ko start to they will say the obidia ko be de nyoma sem omu dia mo saka no be hwemu de best e basa no emwa ye ni ankasankasa na ye ton ye ho simply because of political power ye pe power ye nya power enti de pe bia o say ye na dade no e basa na don de no onye ye wie pe ajisa yi ahoma eti na so bono po no matter what enti me nya sadada no a eti ye nya abotre won ne me bi ho na ye nya ye I don't dey no e ba de ho say ampa Ghana we ye ka say independent 60 years enti ye nya enti me ntena say abia ye no e betime de fa so bia ba e be boye nyina nya dade keze obia no muko nyina obia na nya say they've taken a trench position NDC MPP we say as even Shiraji for ye pe na e koma e friend say Yewura me nu akuma bro jajanfi edin kuni mam say say kan Yewura we say kwasa ye bia yo mapanyi kwa be free so no de kwatena ho enti bia no be ye de ye ena say ankoso ama ayi a Yewura bro jajanfi so say ba na the government in power there de wonti me nya say wodane oba bemba oh na ye tie ye manmu ye je kire o man na say de say suba no tutu etiremu a don't dey na the big go or the big come enti ofori sana ye nya ne sana fe ena ne krakra no asem we ba mo tika ya na na do kri ne ye ni part 20 ose na ye kan wasa wa ese wa ba be passion empanisi and from the who padia enyo
adebo with the greatest of respect the application of common sense so your announcement say mo register with the biometric system no mean to amoka fine obi ana obey adwen because announcement nearby clearly mokra mo di ade ne adwuma mo gidi se bi no mo nyansamafo
definitely
mo nyansamafo betimfonso na bi ye
based upon Yewura kwatin letter of the buy a statement of the buy
it is we na say ka say what save o man 433 million Ghana cedis knowing very well say nko for odin ko for ka untua ya obetu o mo ka out of 433 million Ghana cedis no
yes
na yemu bi ye je di say I am in a hurry quote unquote as said by the president no say yan hwe ni amene ntia break aka na wode bepem so bi twika na opentem e niam mienu ada se bebi okono obaileti pa wo pentem anase no kondo wuo ni mienu nyina so nye
yes opentem akwahen wa mo kwa mo so wa yi NDC for better position e be kai ya hodo be nyadade better na ji 16 years because no go kai kiza kai on the staff mo kai e be kura kan da yi bia 2098 na mo so ended go into opentem akwahen anase official age no at a point onya ahode anya ho keka fanya adwuma
for is questionable
onti ya besra on we yasa no a when we perform church sa na mama no minim position at least for 8 years and not all of you were in government during Mampanye Kufuor era what you say especially those who are very close to Mampanye Kufuor I don't know and to be na I was saying nyabotre na kiki ze oba na pacha obi no obi no na metie menu bi o me hebrew referee di was it he foresee say na na do pacha e free senior high school no
because they do a teacher. Oh, teacher. Say, you share Ghana school feeding program here, and no class selected schools.
Yes,
selected public schools. Yeah, you just come from America. Yeah, since your mom make coffee in senior high schools, the whole Ghana public ones, no, on Bidi Dianopa, if you for no, the students, no, I'm on the borders.
Obviously, they 3 times and
that comprehends.
Are you?
Yeah, twice. Borders, no.
They've been present.
They for
twice.
But it's not.
For the advance of Bedim Preno. Oh, dear, yes, strike average. I mean, I Bedim Pre, but more Modiani and Opani and Opani, the whole Ghana. You been your skate among a May.
Secondary school career or crying to me, ya close no,
there be a young man over the years. Oh, when he
problem so best so.
Ain't he? Oh, your best room, and yes, I am percent and number we are saying. And I never buy bonus 77 or be out with your mates to be an open gas any because I think for Bonnie, a shall come to Crobaba watching me.
Adiabakwa na yidi tumi dwano e me yakakra Ghana ne se mo be 500 million obi ehonjo a mo obi kura ehonjo basika mo be 500 million obi ehonjo a anka me challenges our constitutional provision ni hwade the implementation of progressive free secondary education no can me challenges our provision ni hwade nanka me hwe the legal interpretation of progressively free.
Yes, that adverb nation.
Yes, can me hwade because Shakra no a more legal interpretation of Sha.
This I'm saying head and your compulsion problem.
Oh, because you can't progressively freer. This is a one-time implementation. This is not progressive.
Yes, the mama no you know. And only bit was so no we use that phrase progressively free. But the way that now do the answer was also be a progressive one. Just say and kakra ko na manimuso
kakra no
etiam kakra no so be start in September
no nkan kakra
I don't know because I was
I know okay me can you say best constitution as someone here can say a progressively preventive whoever is implementing it no it can be bam where's akwano it may be a controversial event constitution no constitution say you just say progressively and that they were not in government okay so they couldn't have done it from a point to be better than point to be. It's a friend or no other company. And to all starting no, Bob is also starting free baby. But there are so many things here. Even all starting class of friend what they require progressive for you can. And you might be look at
progressive no condemn.
Well, and said you condemn the
written is there.
I'm not can say constitution. The constitution can a more powerful a chain. The party be a what baby. I got to manifesto be party be a manifesto. And party manifesto and the constitution of the country. What you say, yes, if you constitution of the country, I don't make us say what to say. You amend the Bible. Crawford the church commentary be a person who has said you must put in your masena. One church on the Bible and Kazan the eternity. And the as I speak to you, me who sign your in the square, which they are expanding the kitchen facility, the dining hall facility, and others. The eternity. The timetable also no. You started classes 7:30. They are upon around 3:40, 3:50. It is a winning neighborhood. Are they going to tell us I was here expanding a yana? Your contact hours no. You send your canoe. Tell me the child there. Come upon. It is a employee also can never go there because your school no we be a population of former for become one. If you best 2000 ne kokko quarters ayi. Enti hefa ne kwai betena de die. Na sa kitchen staff no munema mo de mo aduane ne adade no. Yemu de bia beka ho. Mo employ staff wa o so be ebe help mo already mo no. Just nyama bebrebe e na wo mu a enwa akwa mu. Enti na many nwan dis ne be ya dwen so anhwa wa be pa chew. E chew de we wa pa. There was one here kikiri na adade nyina no. Afebe wi ase no. So one plan be bia. Nobody plans to fail, but we fail to plan. So one plan here I don't dey no. The be no e betuma ye. Enti ye best say enema hodo no he is in hurry. Nobody is in that because President my friend the President Mo said whatever the currency you can say he will hasten slowly. Okay, Eddie can say he will hit the ground running. And I was over him or another say one want to America. It no ba na no say I will hasten slowly. It end never was another he should also revise it. Oxymoron. Yes. Yes, oxymoron. Where you little chat who hasten that no so slow and you know what to say. Yes. We can say Bible is a holy war. A war as I holy. Oxymoron even no. Ndi ye best men sam repeat men you no to staff na kiza na nyame sam no to aso
okay.
Kisa Africa nyina na ade ato bokiti wa bisa no. De ho Africa. Isi e ma na etie ye wo ma. Etie lo nu. Editu ya da se wa ha na staff wa ha na Kisa wa ha na Jose Nyamsam so wa ha earlier. Oraya Robeba na yetie no. Ye to aso de frɛ na no pɛ sam no doso. Na ya ncham no kakra na etie fu ye wi a intie odi na of course ye betie odi e den a wo se etie odi ne. Na wo se etie ni nteman sa wi fa transfer kwan bi a se betie odi e. Ye che time no. Judiciously because I was someone now munimra no mo interpret progressively free no edemine yankwa ankopem because progressively free no and you different from the omani yaba no this academic year no and the staff the next time minutes ntie we na no pe odin 75 but minimal statement NDC de ba no mo say to me akan bia but the tia ne say minority in parliament ya de so kuja to negina omani mo ko file a case no ewo America na ma me per 3 minutes we create 3 minutes 2 minutes na me can statement necessary also the National Democratic Congress I don't know could be you opompo ebeba okay yeah. The National Democratic Congress minority in Parliament of Ghana wishes to bring to the attention of the good people of Ghana in fulfillment of the pledge we made at our April 17, 2017 media encounter and with our constitutional and democratic mandate. We have successfully filed a complaint with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) of the United States of America. This will lead to the commencement of investigations by the U.S. regulatory body into the infamous $2.25 billion bond issuance in which U.S. registered company Franklin Templeton purchased 95% of 15-year and 7-year bonds. The SEC will preliminarily be investigating suspected conflict of interest and insider trading, which are violations of U.S. law by Honorable Trevor G. Tevgan, who is a director of Franklin Templeton and a board chairman of Enterprise Group, a company owned and founded by the Finance Minister of Ghana, Honorable Kenneth Ofori-Atta. The minority's complaint was filed with the Enforcement Division of the SEC in Washington, D.C. on 1st day of May 2017 by our ranking member of Parliament's Foreign Affairs Committee, Honorable Samuel Okudzeto-Ablaka, on behalf of the minority. In a response, the SEC thanked the minority for the fruitful engagement and provided a reference number for the case as TCR 1493656314549. The minority also wishes to observe that note has been taken of the interest shown in this matter by Ghana's Commission on Human Rights and Administrative Justice (RAJ) after receiving a petition from a private citizen, and assures that the investigations being conducted by the United States regulatory body will not conflict nor undermine RAJ's investigation. The minority takes this opportunity to re-emphasize our commitment and cooperation in assisting with both investigations in any way we can in the supreme national interest of Ghana and the United States of America. This statement was issued this morning by Minority Leader of the 7th Parliament, Honorable Haruna Idrisu. When he issues Pia, can you baby a staff for the Befano pay upon me a day?
Adam.
The radius yenti we bia de be fa bia.
You were prophet one. Adaro man and ye shame ha ya baba e be anu baba e na de tie ne se obisa sem em se ye hwe enuanu ma omo opposition no mo kan sem pi kama Burkina ni ayi bai
Jibril
omo ko Siraj omo kale no omo so mo ntiase omo so mu anu baba e bebrebe na ko so fine ene na edru no senye frakada and I dream dear and even Sabon how many hours in a day? How many hours?
3 months.
Debbie,
you don't know. Drew
2
What am I being interrupted?
That's it. One man outside out, what for 95 I think 95%. And Ghana, any obia. And I'm on from pet. And in the air cost near cost wrong. Yet in him say, where create loot and sharing an MPP for Babe within 4 years. Sabi, Omuya campaign as a command the Omache. Nanado Case, yet is Casunano. No more Case, command the Omache. I'm only the staff, only then it is a command the Omacha. Quambe no America Omusica. I'm so Mukabusi and Bobby Brio Abontin. And in the moon says, I am away count and a fracadam and a dream dear way, echoes all mine. And I say, yea. Ya dani na igwa bonte and China for be 2 gold o ekasa na mo obi abon de na nyawe emo ya fa no nkosi the minority for you ya ta omuti 1000% nya 100% kwa 1000% because they go so no ya ka say try ya mai mu ha ya nim de ko so judiciary ya ka say ya akizu judiciary dabi but ya ti ana nkonfo bi ko do so judiciary for NDC era and can judiciary be strike but the yetikoma and onko attack even security coordinator and NDC timer kaboni nke be koso na je say pashe ebam ya woni say o man no say be ko ni say ye dia o man ni ye yo be din because obi beba no abeye wani nso na say bi wa man nko ntwa nko a wo be twadru ena dia be tun twadru ana obi nka se budu wanhye ehia ebedido se MPP fo anye de tene na se ya no mekoso atutu om ne ma de a yanso de bia de be hu bia na ebetu wana mo na ebeka wasem enti mesre minio no MPP fo obi nta om ye ta asem na entani pa obi nta obi na obi nta na nado no mirikatu no doso se na nyankopon amagi sitia na asem bebe mfa asem pa ma na yakosu sesi ya no mirikatu no doso na ye woyi ye be ye woyi and so untimi one policy ana na do bia ba bontia e baka say ya sha ase de bia sim say asif say de nipa ni gina simpie so no e campaign enne ye be say ochena ye be say ochena chi ye be say de bia o da so yes adem e de na ekoso samamu onu ana to ejeje mu a em say enye problem wo wadi kan from penifoni bi na o matenasi empam still when you so on tuton obet ma san frɛ wo mu eno maintenance because wo nya abotre mobile obi anko must buy wo nya abotre mamu but mo mobile no change over no obi en free office na nema na wo ko to ye na wo no so no be da warane nipa no ye ko duru sen na wo ba beto aso enti ne so aba mo be no obi anko ye ja to wo be fa Ghana for hwe se bo sumi na am se nduru ba bia ye ko num no nduru ba bia ye nya duru 6 ne duru 1 year tam na ka se ye election ma wa nya 4 years o 3 years want me anya hwe no na mi nuanu mo ka free SH sem se me kan wa ha se free SH even take off from bed dia makana man because me feel me de me ma hu sesi a me to am no ka say so check even the students no omo de policy si be be say no number of aggregate bi na e be favor no anase obia first year student bia omo me hu de din ga no 2 na do year campaign no ka kire say Ghana ni ba bia enjoy free education over first 3rd year students and go so much omoko say the normal third second year omo third year omo third year the normal second year first year omo second year omo second year omo de nkofa omo de me bisa say me pa chom say me bisa say na do omo de omo na for man ana omo de omo enjoy bi enye so ga say ye yan sexy a one kan kakra mama e kachere say kakra ana sa na constitution no so kire enne na do be say constitution kachere say e be take off no preoccupy o be say obi enjoy free education sa yati ase say obi anya bi enne omo di omo ni to so koto aba e ma na do say omo mma benya bi akono aboti a omo enne dudu ana hu ni say say na be de na say aban ko anga man koto una mabantale fa so to from brawazo ase ne tete nsema amamfo ka enne omo koto aba e ma na do awo o mani cause na do ba o say ni nyina na me wa me end this communicator dey be ameka say na do to me 30% me ja ko MPP say na do o kan o timi am 30% of promises o ma nyina me ja ko MPP
e fro say
Mustafa your friend staff
and 16th May 2017
me na meka
o say
30% o timi ya me ja ko MPP
yo kan nyina ya record bibia
o me ba record because me say nya dey o wetima ya dey anu do udu anu do nyina bi ngo ana ya dey anu na sidan a nka wiase e janko bia o dan hwe wiase uso otio na obi bu ma ya yanka se na do ni mamamu da bi but na se nko nya mbutre no wa mamu but no on tia konwa so na kufo yewura kufo na tia konwa so enne wona on tia konwa so enne wona commander in chief wona Ghana sha wonsa enne na do Ghana be ko ye be san o efilo enne ye to aba no ma bosumi nan ye konnum ende na Ghana fo yehu ahu tse ene brane na Ghana fo bo ene pie na ko bisa wo de o se ni pa 100 bisa ni pa 100 se o mo setena muti sen omo no me ba pre bi se hwa setena me to aba enti o ma hwe o mo setena mo no ma to aba boni abaya ya to a enu bosumi nan na Ghana ni ba bia itwado obi e bobana adan a ahokyere ena edware Ghana fo ma
staff esima moy
me pa cho me de manuasi me da wase
me da se ayam sem
ya munya me da se
say abonu ye de
me adomoko
aha abrantie bi tetie makro poni kisa sem papa ewi a mebon dia kire mu said ye kisa de whole Africa to nuko mu no I was say
I'm proud to be an African.
Okay.
Many so.
So
you penasio. Mama chia for na mincha prophet 1. What is the prophet 1? We saw was say ya kama.
I was say Rebecca krakra entra ha. Yes studios TV ni. TV radio ina.
If in a brand do so e kumi ya na radio stations bi entimi nya adwuma nyina oba new mekra 24/7 we ye adwuma na mutofo agu mo generators aya de na mecha kwadu is for Kenya as for Villa Stella ne olozomo confidence mo nyina Joyce mo mecha mo nyina Kenya as nyame adwuma Sunday yeni mo meeting ho eba be hia na adwetwe honkomo aja Kenya as for se manya DC ofi area intino mi se bibia be koso kama me se mecha mo nyina
mo bodia no
ensem no doso na metie staff ana metie major so o release relevant issues o kasati se Ghanaian na mini staff there onya akwanya no
o dey account there
kasati se NDC ni wo ba media me ya ni se o ensem de be ka de me ya ni se anka NDC ni moral justification se obeka issues of on the economy and so ne momuti nchen a mo set to bo papa conditional mana kumu nyina no you are responsible people put am sisi a people put am daily
Ghanaian Times
Mr. Samuel Sapon sika say na ya transfer akwa kugu na account mu
PURC ana
PURC sika kugu na account mu ya 435,000 and akoda nipa ba kwa account mu ya frena ye ba be ye hwemu maame ya adwanto a wakoto hampers mako say 350 ho ka eye 120,000 Ghana cedis e hamper ba ko yesen and I'm 35 million
aso mo de so mo NDC for
omonye ndisi fo
sa Samuel Sapon ni na ye jatwe Samuel Sapon ni executive director ama PURC
woni
na ye
Samuel Sapon woni ni route ana
Samuel Sapon
sanye woni ni route
emu de na wo
Samuel Sapon wodi ma ya jantwa de ne ya fa nto de Samuel Sapon de woni ni route dia wo sinya me se mi ni route na me ncho se
ye mini wan se
HUNDC
ye mini wan se o executive director ama PURC
boba
na nya Sapon ya ogina nsia
enyo ono en boba enti nya me ka cho se dream ni keta se hye akoso o memo ma oman no adokoro ye enti no mo de munni se ma me sha se mfiri omo no aduana o makọ omukọ strike na major areas relevant issues sickening hardwene so obi aye adwuma for almost 1 month 1 year yentua neka but where does it start on say the yen your power ntino in cancer the what the body what the boy ka 144 million Ghana cedis in yeska ketwa when did this start and yes ye ba power yentua bi o eka ne da ho no
what you say
nyabotre ye 200 meba ye 200 million woni ma me ka cho he ye ba power no ho eka ne da ho no eka ne da ho from May 2015 to 2017 no muntiaka
2015
May 2015 to 2017 no muntiaka
motia 1 year de
e tua 1 year de na asa aka nti scan doso enti ye tua bi na asa aka bi nti no say asa wo do obi kai ya buy from January to bia May na wo de car wo tin ka say wo ba power no car wo de na wo tua enti arrears na almost 2 years arrears na ye tua bi na ko free last year May aba be do ene na wo yen disi na wo te wona wo ka say ye ba ye ni sika ko ebenya de atua sa we ayi no adwumafo ka ye nyanki omo ka what do me let's be fair to the system oman no ndc for amwa Ghana for but nana do say problem no once we be president there o gbbia mene obeto so be solve enti who ndc ni there who ni say o so who ni ko so betra na be dede ma GCPP ni kan US for parties bi emeta say no omomo yachi sa de be giatum na who ndc ni a wo waye man basa sika die basa since Ghana for kom condition wom samri aye ho tiye na so betra sa o ka de opa it means who de okaka uni. And the truth on the matter is that sa I can't that one now omo no aduane ye de omo ka no ye tua bi e ji sense ka na ye tua no anka ye ba kwa na ka e January ke betumi tua ma bi aka ye 1 year ke betumi tua 1 year amana kwa kopim December so what was the money no mutu won say more than 1 year na mutu won ma mo ji oyi scanner mo buma no where was the money going
omo di scan to ju
odi nyabotre na me Ghana for no mo hie nchimu me ye tia se o the condition of this country no mean say enkoye but many am so many of mo so kan aya mo ma manfo mo say Ghana economy it is in a mess it is oba be ya adwuma no yes ofiti ya na wa solve yes e be solve problem ma Ghana for one tom but yes oba ya na wa solve problem ma bia koso kama it take gradual steps e ka big work here ye gu so ye twetwa na minim say ye betwa ma Ghana for one tom na was school free education yenti menye omuni do mo kika yeah yensin so man sane hamo
obi nka se obi antimi ho de na me personal ambisa ne say Ghana school feeding program no for selected public schools
yes
because Kumasi Metro ha kura menye so se bi ha se bi Kumasi Metro ha ache se botaye techi ni mpanifo asesa because na ye hia for ma mutiti nkronkitu am ni ade no Kumasi Metro ha ofa public senior schools at least opoku waro ha prempe wa ha mia school papa Santima o race course echi he ya Castle here, just to mention a few. Say secondary schools are Ghana nyina form one for the whole Ghana. Obia bedi di anopa, ebi bedi di anopa, awia anwumre. Ebi bedi di awia anwumre. Enye no nko ne kai babo wo ho. Ye be kire o ma de free. E kan kitinkitin nyina e free. Ye be ya ne say ne ma me beto school atade ama no. Eni PTA books nyina de be kire o mu free. Na ye hwe aduane kekaye no ama selected schools ye nyan na. The question still remains very simple. Why are we in a rush as a country?
Me for it. I'm medical chill say a Canada honor. And yet a cabisa MPP buy a Canada in Yentua. Arias, Ghana be able to be Arias in honor. I go so a year and you know, omo betra no maka se yentimi nya na omo yes se ka mo ja o mai papa to honom ana ka mo nya arrears anto no nka sa ansem wo yikra na se school fee ni for ka da hono sa kan ka ma me da ho enti no me de who you justified. So we bisa sa question no. But then this lady who need moral justification to come here and make noise. As one person me can no. Yamra free education no. E ho asema almost na dey ya budget. Free education no. Ya cost me ba nya botre. Nya botre. We say mu dey no we say hey ni makoso we ni magemu. E be 200 schools na makoto foundation matu anka. Anya no bi ne ye no wa hawo. Na mo sibi. Asa nya botre
over 8 years what
see am mu yo see am mu ye omo kuku na omo ye see ya o o si for ba want me am me see that 8 years was nya botre kuku for ba o si 56 model schools na ye nya botre na schools no ho dada na lack infrastructure nti woni ma ko Anglican secondary school ko hwe satan no mo wasakasaka park nyina wonum sa school no ka edan si na ye for oko supercars yene ma Anglican ba Anglican ko bi sa if you don't know no anya no kre won oko Anglican se sia na bank nyina school secondary school bank MPP for any mo nyam mo share sa school na Anglican ba one of the best schools in Ghana so money ma mo kan hwe on the argument MPP for buy mo as school bia they ka say modern school o ye modern school ka ba bon eno chain sa school sa mo sisi
e designer yes no
look at
what tell me about only
when it
who is teaching modern school the one
we need to me so better because we are ma kwanya na wa anya hwe na say na de bekum oman
ma te odi anyamsem ko ni staff yenti anyamsem
you know free senior high school na ye kan wasem ebeba won say ye say de mo bia na only say uko secondary school na say u failure ye santo uko university na say uko twa na say u failure ye ma san konkotwa say kona kotwa enti obi ko access na say wa fail na say won san konkotwa who want this who how ni say the fact is that your budget your plan we can tell you the cost of 1 year free senior high school if you don't open so who am make can tell one ya cost and says can ye be release ama asha ye nim say ye sha de na sia ye benya challenges ye ye be gusu ya kakaka ni ya magana fo nyina ho atomo ye hye Ghana fo bo say but the time ye teno be fi honom and someone can free education na baso one this one factory na baso na bibia de akoso kama munye di na mo hwe de o man esiko omo tinche enam no ma bi omo ye na omo say omo to omo si entimi nye ye be ye momani awu na bond na ye kan ho asem no em se metam ya bana wie bond asem ay kan o so onya akonya so kan no wode wada ye ana o jatu hono bond no ye ka se bond kra ni se busia bond ya kan ho asem busia sa busika no so kan mo makwa akoji se sika no nya botre enti ye ba ye no ade ye ni se bond no ye try say your plans okay ye restructure bond in such a way say you better extend the number of years because more than that time they limit and they say they are 5 years yeah they got 10 years now rating interest rating omonye dey omonte so my enti mo me example na make here enti sa bond no na interest rate down 21% ye buy negotiation ko ye about 17% enti wo si obi okra se bond no e sika bi a ye ba obi ko akwaji e sika maji adi dada na ye restructure ye se be ya nyamutre uni mana uti radio so menya uti radio so enti una utu futu ogu amanfo ani won enti ye restructure se aje se wakwaji bosia bi a 100 million won next can ye release ma kakaka na ye tito kese se bia wakwaji bosia posu bia betua 10% enti se bia wonwuma wo ye no 10% bia ye tio sa bia what first what do se bia 100 million na bosome ye tio ka bia 10 million na ye tio 7 million a month na hwa 3 million na kan ejimi hwa no obusuafo na akọ negotiate say mo extend the time na me di betua no na bia bosome bia monti bia 5 million na mitimi nya 5 na fanto no asem na ni enti wana akọ ye dream ni keta sihye muni ma mo kan che Ghana for some ni encheche mu enti sa bond sense na ye mo send this for atam so mo dey call international Omunim do omokeka. Enu no question is say we have great people with great ideas. I put in in place. Enu ti moti nchen a mo em sam amano ya se no nti no mo ba ko mbebre omutimi nya no. Ye shembo and this for ye shembo we are challenging you. In 2000 ba pa na Ghana ko epic. Ye manage Ghana man ko modi capital. What I say besides that no, ye ko dey say Ghana for oil. Mo bedu na mo woncheni. Kronwa kese a whole president no a vice president no akwakoto aeroplane. Aeroplane koto ye won sense mama former president Mills ati committee won antana papa ni wuye. Who koto hanga garage di aeroplane kokosi $70.5 million. What you say? And on the kuma man na ya ho kire ye no. Enu ti yemi anu mandis for me be pamocho munye din anka obi o social commentator no ba be ka che say no kra live na ka se beti so ye nyante so. Na ki a che say menu live no ya botre yeguso ya tutu no ma ebe ma no ma de akoso kama because condition of man wo no critical enti no na enti ase na Ghana for ati ase na when this video wusimu sen amamu boni e wo ho
okay
sada uko dua ndua wusi ndua na hye no for men stand ni ehun kire dia masa you have no justification
mo like control 110 minutes Ghana ko
camera you take his area near betie for very soon enti Kisha John Morris boko de
Ofori nyame adom.
Ata de efe.
Ofori meton Mahama pensu.
Mama be.
Atama na economy ne ye na. Ja otimi tususu.
Okay.
Na meto ntimi ne menya fi se ye nyame ntimi kura nto hanki kura me nto.
Sir.
Because it's very difficult. Say situation ne be say Madam for MVP ni o say ene be nya ayire. Because simple they approve kuma egunshire ne bo na approve kun kwadu mai na ebe so bibra na bibi bedin fie mi no ofori ma mentia tifo me chia prophet 1 le salutu no me respect na pa ofori na machia yem party for me chia bredo se friend Sheikh Crusaders for Mahama yes o come was so tatio pa
sao
yes na ofori Machia and grassroots for Kwamizu, Mechiano, Shamon, Mechari Montia, Nanakwasi. Ofori, Mame, let me start with the bond issue. Ofori, minim already Monyam for a friend Kwajuga Daudu, Nefre Bako, Buja Jemfi.
Kwajuga Daudu, the minimum lawyer, na.
Good honor.
And Roger Jemfi, Ashanti Regional Youth Organizer NDC.
Good. Okay. Lawyer Sebio Nadwi Mudo wonim die. Tema MVP for the Kujina court tran through Guyeso no. Onom ne chachunum ne hwitwaje yen. These are able men almost seeking for the interest of the country first. Omo call for say yebema fine pepperie ayejuma. Fairness so de or minor echo and time to trade be necessary timamu for man for bibia dem fine mo bia hu ne echo na sabi ntiri maba na se mo no mo kwa ye timenya explanation papa bi amo mo se enne ko ma ede mo ye ne mo na nanom te se na nado danko akufu ado non plans o mo yegu ho e na ama ne se be kom dem no mo baby a problem ni free ne ama sebi omo pomponso omodru me they say a minority you see I allow them even in at massa as a toda lapses nkete be ban me bo ma baso says I do o mantna so ni yanyankofu bi nzo omo nso support we fa na we fa se na be ya Ghana yenwie na Ghana becomes a winner. It didn't end woman ending or honum. Say oh say bond. You can't bond na nyam se beso chimu no. You see timo mo bond to omo ka chese bosia bopa de omo kobi ga. Ghana we have all the resources. We have all that it takes to man our country. Wono dia oba bosia de they will never to be the last number. But 4 months range. They are lurking around the corridors of international powers or international aid. SK4 Bosnia. Bondi, this is a strategy. You see, over now, Okwaje Bonda. busia wo kwa akobo a chese o sell bond no na nkofo na beto so moto a sika yen ye benya no na di aboye ho bra na se sika no hu tua ye betua ne ho si ho no eno ne ade ye twamena se bi o yesusu se bibibi bon wo na se wura mu na nko mu fi se be 9 day wonder eno ase ye ya na ndi si eja manaka ye fa kire we na nipa moto 95% of ayine man no ye very close ally awone Ken Oforiata enya wo oforio oyama mu fo oforidi no kura ho abaka kakra
bibia ma ho ye da so
bibia banka ye bo ofori pena sa Ken Oforiata eyina ba mi
Ghana ni nyina no ane ye
eno no ofori
Ghana ni nyina no ane ye mo maka nyina mu di achi
ofori na sa mo na mo se o man ya
na bi Ghana ni nyina no ane ofori ko
na mre na no ane mo dia na ofori na mo wo bibi ye fa ho
oni ye friend Kenneth Oforiata aha
eno na me kaza ma enechima beto ofori fodi no ho
bibia ma ho
isi ofori na wo hwese ni pa wo ne what the same business aí or business fellow woni ni nyina wo one company one year mo operate na ye beto bond ama outside world outside community ama yen kura Ghanaians business investors no ko ebi kura betimato ama ewie no na yen Ghana na ye recruit the benefits kana ye won kofo bi wa ha kakra ebi kura ebie mu a kanyamsem nya kakra toy but anyumre na ya na so sese edura anopa ahomachi na ya close Satan no na US oze omo tema yen ade ache wo hanom no na samre emtesemre ye kasei emse omo so da and this anyumre best say 5 o'clock say 6 o'clock amo announce ya mo de ko to site on ayen ya beda no mo na hu no honom a omo sha ase processing enti anyumre san no na un close na yen ya de asa wo ha ye beda o the time men na yen so ye be take interest in that na ye businessmen bia ye so omo no ye ready senko omo ko gina yo kwa ye se ya tum ade asa Ghana ha ye pon 5 ye close no say ya to ama Trevor Gan bia wo ba bia woni Ken Oforiata na nado in the same empire. You see, Ofori, my young simple mathematics be what if the dollar I pegged it around $1 for Ghana cedis. And no na me de worky. Atie fontie you. Nanchirima eba be sofa. O take interest rate of 19.5%. Now every year sika ye betua o sa bond no ho $2.5 billion no. Eye 1.95 billion every year. And this is 21%. Oh yes.
You want 21%.
Yes. And this is 15 years in na. Ofori. Ghana interest no kwa. Se oka 15 years in na. Ghana ye betua 487 million per interest in the way ni na na ye betua wo ho. But about 15 years interest a ye be pay o we no ho a. We dey multiply 1.95 billion times 15 years na wo ye nim no. Na capital nanka sika boten no 2.5 billion no. Now the sales can about become 2.5 billion no. Now every year sika ye egu ye nima ekika ko ye nima ese se yetua. Na ye bisa se se mo kwaji sika we kura na. What is adie botaye? Ena wo mutimunti a mo se yen de enim se ye time no. Ye kobo bisia ye kone foreign entities no enter circle interchange na person mo ye man. Kumasi Central Market ye ne Brazilian company ko yi no. Mo ye no. Ye no mo na ka chom se ye per market. An ultra modern market. No mo ti ase se omo yi infoni ni kire ye ultra modern give ahodo be ye num. Ana di ensa kire fine one ewom. Se no na epe. No mo ka che se fine one ye be sima mo e be ko so se. Ene no na ojesi no ho no no. Enye se afa ni ye kwaji sika no. Na ya be se ye discount kwa kogu ho. Na ya be se sika no. over the so this kind of baby good afena way ebe sorry aka say eno na school feeding for atiemu you eno na way e kan de enwie obviously then omode 1 billion e go fight te den the caterpillar on esa wo mati egu akuafo den omode 1 billion and e go fight sad no ye be cheska close to 20 billion and the air land reclamation e wo igalam say site obi afumra no adenti afidie ni si ho no na emra no wo ho na wafum na won ka chese gina no so kata amna no so ansa wa ye afidie na fi ho mo si dabi wo they have dubious ways of making money. What see what they want from Milano on one coffee? What's it? Tamu machine. Now you machine in Yampa. You don't want to see any machine here. Take your machines to your various until Omo Echo Far cars by Nomsa machine Diko Sifi. Now, Faye, a dubious way of making money in Intino. What was the Kabisa? Vena buy no Momba Katasu. Say I had the Bonia as I say, Yasu came money panel. No Katamano so. You never did all of these things. You see, as I say, Mutia school feeding. We have a chronology, a sequence of events. See your per hand, your hand power. The way you made these school feeding women, innocent women. Mesi ekia ha buru ekino ene ye pesa o kan wa mesi maami bi chese say woni ebinum nya argument a o ye na emrate de sekan awo ne katre ma say so we nyina look at this confession of ya bunu ma I've mentioned the place Kobusia Nkranza Busia ele ya bunu prepram these are what's me bo na ma che source until with all these things na Mother so at the mammy for the car. Then how are they going to cook to find for? And then I over you who make your session be say. Simple kakre ipo na muti mi swanui. Huh? Na mo ba be catch and say, what is and come be ni free amunka si free. Osa so be my day students e bi aniedi. Hey. Na one my borders 3 square meals and no pay we anumre. Forgetting say close to 70 senior high schools, secondary school baku 70. Yeah, what's out Hana, ya manabieno. Ukwesirema, omunya mie school, oma postpone Headmasters Association of second cycle schools. What's that? They're from Muchas. They have suspended the reopening of school there. Since they cannot fend for them. And now training colleges are feeding grants. Maybe colleague or my friend was it feeding grants in NDC time so the year lawani floor na the grants in the banner more student loan and I'm bet that down show muku to pass mo ba afen na grants feeding grant beba mo ba sinya mo mbesa de omo la
okay kisa first mami
over made the medician na when na man na feeding grants e wo ho no. The authorities in the various schools are compelled to charge, to calculate, both them together. No more their account previous fees, no more than one alawa ma feeding grants bear trace 2 times wa and also ma na ya charging na na dia so ma san dia call mu fees on. Nti madam no ka chem said na omutua 1,000 close to 1,000 cedis. And the feeding grant na be ka ho no. And na close to 1,800 Ghana cedis. Why? What have you done? No, there's a strategy Oma putting in place. What are you here? Edi Akufo-Addo, President Akufo-Addo, Attorney General Akufo-Addo, Gloria Akufo, CJ, Chief Justice Sophia Akufo. The simple logic and say. And for where me do mo twa me ho ahia no I am anticipating series of picketing, series of strike actions, series of non-ending demonstrations. Our foresight too. What's our what plan B? Now the money won it in Nintino. What they kind Eddie Amrado, so therefore near ye can ho ahia. Teacher for
sorry say all the teacher for mo de omoka you promise them say you give them allowance yeah mo say na mo 3 months mo buy 1 month and I'm on the mom teacher ni year adwuma close to 7 months 1 month maths and science teachers na mo pick you omo no 1 month afena mo tu omoka bo so me ba ko and I'm telling you 22nd of this month they are ready to go and pick it because that is idea say moteno no they are ready to go and pick it and he say always say what day a year go say ya say chewe say any legal action na minority me no mo ya because all the causes here so for Yakubu Beka say for what free no so go obetu who the cases say beko woni na say o ka say o drink na ho na Yakubu adu na pam for here so mu diska 200 billion timi dey celebrate one day school for kwa match keke what the 200 billion spending nakas who ko ekosiki constitutional interpretation the make it was a fast through omusuko so for Yakubu ehwe ama go Yakubu so here attorney general abanu enu obi nya asem obe lead no because I'm not ready to take anything so teachers you better watch out so where senior omaye omagbe say
Kisa
they will deprive this country of a forward movement now where sine si share o man no akona se si akra no kai Greater Accra ai regional hospital ye be bie no ochina Wednesday ye be bie hospital excellency John Dramani Mahama Abesi na me bie me business se e bia hospital ntie for watch men ntie cleaners ntie technicians. These are the things that you catch a gun and for them. Mamunti atro.
Mati, ochina ye bie president mama be kwa na onko.
Papa no freno. For money is your crown. What's the baby Mahama will be ano? We are who Akufo-Addo. Baby Mahama will be an who Akufo-Addo.
I dear for the kiss as earlier to staff and carry a tear young seven can. It dear my dream is here and then small do I can. Alliance the me no and also the agent and yet my drink temperature from radio no for many idea here near to can ye 0278242323 0278242323 and 02001 00008 02001 00008. Good morning. Yes, sir.
O de do mo zo mo shamini.
Shai wutew.
Kiana na kwasi kiza wabon homodin. One time president na Akufo-Addo ye tuni kura wie. Answer Erobo na kan no. Manolity me o ma chirim. O ma diketi Ghana me before kwa to mu bom tum ko hwe. Me se o kinno folata ene na yiri nyina o ma za be piem bi. Hwe Ghana on. Enye de obeka na oba betuto oba paso. To say yo say corruption de bo kankan ma. Pese uto ayento yeto ayentua enu amena central mabibi ama mema ne ton nam na ma ne tito odo mo so sumo ma no na me so mo hu ese enye ba kofo na na ya berewa etimi ka kire MPP for say enye sa free education na ma ya no for one na no ye need ye kire papa
shall we ati da good morning
aponto sere
nya go padu ma ye boko won so e
aboko fa amakwa no kuno station deja no na furu debi me no ma da juma pa Kisha wa semetian pa nedu komana na kwesi regional vice Edinburgh regional chairman. Afa, wasi ya ofisi ya bontia uko shagana fo ni martin to bia bomobu. Obu na mkwa ni ule fikwa so ya Ghana bi. Uko so fa hotel ndo so. Wale en mo MP fo ya ngwanwo. Afa, ya to abama kwa ata so pete ma begugu o mai no. Asha na bia pa Akufo-Addo ne ba me ade o mai ni kuria. Afa, ele ja bombo na balu. O fie ne ni da so bi. Because so baba tebe kata adwuma fo se adwuma fo lady omo adwuma atomu da you go to kwa na adwuma fo lady no ma let you president kata ko jiro kayo na finance minister ba jo kwa chote se ma ka ba se na president na be kan sa e businumka omo ni ma se mo ka na ta ma mo na ta fo mo ni be omo de fa wo omo ni be omo de fa te be se Ghana fo mi se pa na ni se Ghana fo aye te be se ndi se na ba ya oto ba de mana wo wo we shim wo ti di o Ghana fo ni se ye be ti na bo ma na ti me tu ani ye change ya ba ya wo kwa kwa ku ba bia o de for le sa kwa kwa ta euro bond contract parliament ko ni mo che okay one say ka to man meeting na bibia ba amo wana je temu obi alfa no waje na ti sa je 2020 that then this baba bi
yeah that's much you
Mr. Fori
yes sir
that's one zini mejoso
it's you
Nincha Kisa John Morris and this media monitors and regional vice chairman Akwesi when you do about 2020 Debi American Americoswaka until MPPs for Akanokra Ghana Anyasa John 531 they make quote to sa yes what say Samia me give me one dance here I am na Kufuor why would you one dance here that dance and dance papa but na say mo give me one dance to some says one and na say John Kisa Morris no and na say wo mi so for no mo give what Kufuor one dance here and ya dance papa what you say you passengers e for car what you say ya take back your so ya to lorry fame ya mebo wa ba so wa ya de ye try like the water the new boy at that kind of meet ya and the country you are a good father so wa ya de cuz I'm here small scale minus for what should na papa the go kwam am na ye nsako ya 2.5 ye ti koyi mu age be de wan ya de ye mo wa ba so wa ya de start learning for na muti ko ma mo for na employment a chemo na mo to ba me ku for da ba na mo nya adwuma ya ne mutimi nya adwuma ni bi kwa nkono ye nko bo ma ba so na DKM fo a mo se mo be ti o mo ka infu and then wo me to one the common sankaye and then go ka what interest rate about from it Ghana fo nya ko bo self media you will go for the 88 what that
be hello good morning
well Mr. Mabo
eja ni fa mabo
no Misha ofoli media area no we nya person man Ghana be dey we on send MPP ministry ka union and then this kisa wabachano wakandida nje ne kure na senka city for na be dey na ka ho na be ka nti so fi se ka union na ti no abagina wo yi bia kana kwem eme mi ade abe de be na be pesa wo mo de ni se ka di bia ene me ne da adu poli ni na mi travel
yeah reset das hello good morning
sorry
when you
about me strong place of mama calling from Asianot
it's
mentia so ko e former we na ene ndi for no mo hono no wo ya nyansa ene ndi e kasa mo kasa hono no ene kire se ni makuri mu jimu na wo hwe nsem ya wo di atugwe ene nsem mo aboso a kire Ghana fo a ebe dedi ahu no kure a ewo nsem no mu wo hwe normal o mo ye ene kwanya o mo fa so o mo ntimi enso o mo normal o so ya o mo si ye ni aye and what ene normal mo di pa ye ensem a mo share wo share Ghana fo ene bo share konsunku bo share kase a mo share Ghana fo a mo pa ya mo hwe so nye adwuma na dede hu na mo ye no mo hwe so nye adwuma na mo nja dede mo na mo so mbeti aso a ene ni ti ko ya so na boko ene di ama mo so mo nso a mo we pede ya mo so mo ntimo nso a mo so na mo so mbeti aso a and the Ghana fofo so for the boys na ni e ka no say owo ba be kekere tika amo mbusia no wo mu appoint a odindi akufo a odindi boachi a nya dia ye appoint no ta no no wenu nya ni hu ya ni e ka no kra che Ghana fo bawo ka e se bi se e be dum le bi no kra e be bo wi ate e na so no kra ye ka ye ntino a mo tin tro ntino ama ento e ti hene
yeah that's hello good morning when you
ya fam ko mi fe kwada so
akili bobo kwada so etio
yo we de mamen tell no abega for na wo fori o je aban pa o ba ye ya ene o ya si ko betina aban so pa difficult one wo ye sharing we de share mistake kwa ebi ebe pa na wo pa nya ye pa na wo pensel Ghana for you mistake ye to ba man for me mistake Ghana ye to ba man for me correct mistake yanka for mistake but ono dia wo ye kwa dia e say content le go man ni mu ase e tro man content e ko chiri wo check the whole fi say Ghana ba ni be nya yi kwam kuma ba ni na mbro fi jai ye wo fa na minister ye di na content na say di na ko chira da a ye bo ni so ye corrupt da enne enye wo so ye corrupt at the same time Saka tell say was mistake in one or you only mistake in one or you yeah but for say o be your family of friends abanya and then abanya wa ba family of friends and you are form na fa say ni ya o be the dey for the people omo kwa mistake one to
ya tie da se ni akele bobo manchi o
Hello, we are to Macaponia.
Yanko pardon me, where your pounds way.
Nana, carpenter, quite a swamp.
It's you, where your man could not answer.
She said, I'm going to turn around. The doctor was a proud about 1.2. That's yet to over a top proud about 1.2. Matter. I like the water of India. The better is I said, I'm not almost a bullet. What I saw better to my family or so. Then why I
Machio. Hello, good morning.
Mr. Police President for one.
Everyone say,
I was in your meeting.
it's you.
Now, we catch the entity from a movie. Zero movie gun for the mother. Young one is out. What's the possible bar? Who will run the microphone? I said, move by a book to the pass with your window open somewhere. Who will be in a 2020? And the idea about the joy in your mind.
Now, this is for now, 20 over again. One ever yard, you know. Good morning.
Good morning, Philip.
Hey, Saudi, do.
I'm a MP for my banner, no good follow. A multi Ghana for to film. Your boss said that no good follow. And Ramuko party and by the catcher of what for them. A more Baba Brandiga and say, I'm a Galamsey, IFA. But I'm a Google and say, it's a no now, a mobile kicker, Adam Term, and it's a Ghana for you or when you are for him. Ghana, Pana, Ghana for John Damani Mahama. Any assigned to play one centralism. You are fair, Mahama, but just you know anything, and I say, Ghana for any assigned to play, and my entry more papa.
Okay, that's a Machio. Okay, and if you're not the infancy now. Oh, staff, Mr. Yabrani Yasuntino, your bear 4 minutes. Yanchen 1 on I'm for one in your madia. And the staff 1 minute, Yampo.
I'm saying, make sure my boss, Bridget and feed. Do up well to cross a medical court, Madame Sepa said, or this has no cocoa. No much share my boss back on your friend lawyer, Miss O. A doom senator. And I end this phone penny for you. I'm a chair will be okay. Now, Master say. Near Cosono, Obium said Ghana, my shipa. Nanishi Iron, Yadi Muyabum, said the MB before Kanyan, Yadi say, Yanim said 2020, on the Akunan Beto. Yam Pam, Mongas at the Beto no Mako. Because the Akos on an order, Ghana for Mutsero. Okay. Jones. Yeah, Mikra Jones.
Mamincia Minia, Opoquadima, Quabri is Constituency Secretary. The chairman of Quabri East, Isaiah Yatun Swaba, Ajina Tumse, where DC for Quabri East. Galamsey and Sensemono, MPP, per se, rebranded Galamsey, as we have been saying. And quite Nipa Fast or where I didn't any day, Yampene, Nemo, the Mrabeton, Amas, also where Galamsey, yet turning to small scale mining. Oh, yeah, no one making sure say, Unco, so man for a mercury, a moon sensu. Some of the can was not just a barber, say, will be a Juma. Oh, Banas also bear Galamsey, as a mere Wahono, would be a Juma, dear. Yes, we be Jaw, one way, Juma, say, by a yes, yes, and this is one the umber said Dana for so no more found. By a dear, you Ghana home, and in soon was some dear, your man and Yadia Behaman, and the Mrabeton, I'm a way of Galamsey, no more Galamsey for you say, a bit of that so home, Moyo, because Embrano, the name of Sao Yanas, so as I will say, oh, sell money, the I am penny. Your best sister, no matter Kogo, near making sure I get permit. Eddie Brana, you want to be able to come. Come again for one come to Muyam. Okay. And I don't go for a do. Obey your man, come here, very fine. And you are very fine. Just 4 months pay. And you know, some years that I am like a crack. You are very fine. And one kiss 1 minute, Niampon.
Ovori, my name's Enka, I'll bet him the 1 minute now, book and a day Japan. Oh, I'm willing to sacrifice. And some more catch about me, I say, about me complaining, former President Mills, a time. Na kufuwa di jina Mills konsa na mwaba, but me stop the complaints and fix it. And na campus will boss out.
Papa, ni mjentia MPP for the kana semuno. Papa no ma party ni nyako no. Ya party ya ba ya obi esre time. Obi MPP ni bi kasa ye hia bre ne dia fix it. Ne kwan so ano. So honti ba se
I say no Jaqua, you know, when you know, say, ya bobo vote ya no Yanko pardon ya ba bem, obi a set time, I didn't say into my time. On so ya no Kofunyam, or pursue portrait be which Ghana for so on the kind of create, and in his quest to do that, you know, why you say, I didn't, what can be Vincenzo?
It's your worry, and send war can say taking this because a was the can of boy. He did my job, a human fakasi and no they created that militancy group where militancy wins and they created an invisible data boss. Omutimi Komamuko judges Nanka Nipaya can be say brawa bre. What does you coin in the economy? No, say fix it. And we are fixing it. And now if we need to Jack campaign in Nigeria, economy is only as a fixing. Oh, my, river now. And very brown is a car of now sugar yachitri. What let me come to the layman. Sugar yachitri. Now, sugar no na told 10 pesos, 20 pesos. And the former president John Dramani and then what 30 pesos. Over me person my platform. Anyway, na commodities the whole market. Ya never that now.
Ya mention fanship brother.
Yeah, not corrupt. The most corrupt party. What you have to have. Not your ended that case for once. Yes. I'm calling for that.
You fix it for Tuesday. You fanship brother.
Commodities of price. Commodities the whole market. Nebo. Mohammed's regime, Akufo-Addo's regime.
The most corrupt government.
The most corrupt government.
For your phone. When you penny stone, you are Sudan running. And lay a free council in Ebenezer Miracle Worship Center. Reverend Dr. Pombo Ebenezer Adakwa Yadom, the nation's prophet one. Radiaman to me. Yamini Peti in Ayasabne. For how beden ready, for money beden ready. What that Nasha Brabon Yaswa Obre. You never den ready, never ready, or baby Biamo, you know. That says you Sunny and Sabamone. Over for Bromus Gallon Bryce, a Bromus, you know, on the 4th, 5th, and 6th, and then 7th days of June 2017. A free John Busmi, dear, immediate tossing a question dance on so. Ever fear Bromus, you free. At the free Ebenezer Miracle Worship Center, Yamutimi Fedia Befi. But you have a father, is all the idea with you. And you know, but free council now, the Gallo, now Baba, council in Echino Yakwa, and Bompa boy and Rachel. And then that Bompa boy council in Echi, Bompa, the Romo Chancellor Cassini. Obi Aria Fanabra. Rabu Kubima Fanabra. Wow, once one wine into my baby. No prepy and your radio nano. Bay Mominumi and Yabrabo. Take Johnson over Gallo Negna Faka. Genius Johnson at Twin August Station. Children's Hospital opposite Pampas with J runabout. I report Johnson Sheffield Station is Sofala Station. In your car, dear free harbor. Yakrab Mini of Penny Stone to us free. A special good morning and come on, Master Kabobo magazine, New Road. And I feel Dr. Mrs. Dorothy Danso. Oh, yeah, National President of Glow International. And I feel Napo, Monso, Nakwasifona, Mo Center Market, Mutia Mercury Bribeno. I'm watching Mama Radio in the hand. I mean, your Penny Stone to us free. Okay. I say more now. Mama wish me birthday Nina. Madam, you say running some. In fact, whenever cause me overwhelmed with the various wishes are Ebano. Much the Papa running some baby. Ordinary Biano who send nam WhatsApp, send nam Viber, send nam Tango, send nam Instagram, send nam and nam WhatsApp. Me hunting in a bit. Unfortunately, on the oriental for. We enter phone to me rent town who rough. Whenever I become a Debiano. Na I say me Yakamiana, no coming home away. I check way back. I check over 16 years ago. Yanikra, Nina, Yasha Brabokra, Yavabra Bonuque, any Madakwan Pebi, Mataya, and then crossfit cry. I check 16 years back. In the birthday wishes Ebenina, Harniman Yakotenim. Harniman Yakotenim. Harniman Yakotenim. And you know, when you have any stone to us, Sophia, Jaco for Yaduma, at you for actually, maybe she have a far much shadow, Radisham, Nina, Nina, and even your penny to us in free hay. Now, no stone, the bunny didn't birthday of Brema DB. The wife didn't birthday of Brema DB. Tinocradina mean from Mustone, Gina mean from Mustone. Okay. Stone was catching me to me, Chenny Bibi and ye, and to my crab. Me boy, Jawa, you do me boy.
prophet 20 so metro TV se be bia hwe me na bate me ka bia no makuna to 1.5 FM so Isaiah wo dia tiata na nso a yes moja prakope no ensu kokko yes moja no awurade mra na som ya 4 June 5 6 and then 7 June na ya bia obi biara fi samre ko for utumi ka yentam fa kalon bra na ogia mapa enshama pa yodia sanso yi ba yensan trane a ebi sida Yesu Kristo sorry yetinso yes moja so ni di ensu kokko free yes moja ni ni obi amaje bio kana mai we are sending paisa obi amaje wo ba trouble sadia bra awurade ba ye to be so nyam fanso du sia ma akuafo nyinara momna beji ensanete ye no eyesika futuro fokopete wasase so wo Yesu demo sika beba sase ne so afo ni be ye yie obenya musika wonya be ya de nyina yie apemfo obi ye fra wo ba wadwuma na sai akada so yare bi ne yare a wodo bi gu so abramu so ni obi antum nika aya 4 5 6 and then 7 wo dia mapa yodia awurade be shira do ya baby obi abra yentam fa galon be sha city lie enani chira chase abra na wo tia ne koso wonya metumi ne abata ina fa mamra school friend obi amachi na otie ni shira yodia ye be chene tie bechibi wo ba trouble sadie na fa bra me ya fasting me pompo bi bia de wa komoso no awurade be ye bomba dia so be no bo so nya meti ase wo ba yi bo fode wo patako ajeko popo wo patako ajeko fode ya bo hai bebo bi ye bo 3000 Ghana ye ma susum jam prokudu kosia ekokuma ba ifo ekosar be fonyuma abusun fonyuma awonbani nyuma no nya mi shira ba so wodofo de wo sewo de wo kuo de wo bodua no enka fitum ni kabra na me mo akwantere wo Yesu di mo awurade be kana to form awurade be kana to form na me mo patakwa de ko bobo ngo sranso a wo busade biare ntuba fode no awurade be ya ma wo de bia mo sanfo ase no awurade be ya ma wo ne ba fode fafa ne Ghana ye ma ko de wo sunsum ko ne prakokosia ni ama patakwa de ko mo sra ka ho wo beba mani ma begeme mo akwantere ko sia ni ko kumu fi abaifo de wo hawo do no di ase awurade be kuro ye be ma wo sranso ye bo busade ina ma eno ne patakwa de ko bobo no wo hawo bia so no awurade asu nkonim fakabro pambokrum kumasi anewo wo tie ni Israel dia wodu kumaso fa drop you obi adu baba mo bi nkanche se wodu kumasi de amenko ba bi omo dada manfo kwaji amanfo sika na unya ba ha uye Israel yes majan swai Abraham swai yes majan swai there is something that makes me coming to your presence my helper, rather my helper, my helper, oh my helper. There is something that's made me coming to your presence, my helper. A brother way any a brother biara otifo beneza mitran tintintie wo bia sem wa ha wo onyame tumi ne na hoode ode amamemu ene di nkunimde ba eye free ameti obi asem kwa yesiesie ba bia wo beda nyina wa ha entunya beduru ha obenya ba bia da na awurade agyew ba bia wo bia aboabo ho bra kumase wo pambo krom Ebenezer na aka worship center a brother way any a brother biara a special counseling obi ye baifu obi ye diamon fanmra amane ye bi esum fanmra awurade be yo be ye wo Yesu din amano ayeyi